feel that with Sawmill, people relate to it because it has a real heart and it is a real business with great intentions.
It's a really forward-thinking company, which is one of the things I really love. They care about what they're doing, not just with the people, but the environment and the social impact that we're having.
The cool thing about B-Corp is every decision that you make goes through a filter about what is the best outcome for the business and for the community and for the environment.
B-Corp's a huge component of how we work as a team and how we put a product to market.
It's kind of created a little bit more of a big picture experiential thing as opposed to just good beer.
So we collect all the rainwater off the roof that we use to make beer with. Any waste we produce, we need to deal with it ourselves. The wastewater, we use it to irrigate the surrounding farm. The hops is all composted and sold.
These are our grain silos. Then they hold 60 metric tonne of grain, and that saves on tens of thousands of these sacks every year. And this is spent grain, which is the most divine stuff. Cattle love it, pigs, deer. We make it into crackers, bread, soap. None of it's wasted.
When you break it all down, it's just about being real and being honest.
There is a very real feel to this place.
The beer's got its own reputation, but also the company is really well regarded for all the environmental and sustainable and social aspects that they champion.
That's what has got Sawmill where it is today, by being really fiercely independent, by being really genuine in what we do.
We all have the responsibility to make things right, or do our very best to minimise the impact.